Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the fundamentals. Accept the offer, note compensation and equity, and confirm your manager and team. Once done, create your Google account and enable two-step verification so access is immediate and secure. Next, request laptop provisioning and VPN/SSO access. These are required to run internal tools. Make sure to enroll in benefits and add emergency contacts. Doing these first reduces friction and ensures you can join meetings, access docs, and start contributing. You move into active onboarding by attending core sessions and a team kickoff, and by pairing with your assigned mentor or peer buddy. This accelerates context. Once you have access, run the local development setup and execute the CI/CD build and unit tests to validate your environment. Then review your team's OKRs and prioritize a small-ticket task to own. Completing it quickly builds credibility. Also schedule recurring ones with your manager to align expectations and get feedback as you ramp. You finalize by delivering value. Open a clean PR with tests, follow the team's review guidelines, and address comments promptly so your change lands. Once merged, measure impact against the team's OKRs and solicit feedback from stakeholders to iterate over the next 1 to 2 sprints. If you hit a blocker, escalate using internal forums, your on-call or pager flow, and your manager's escalation channel. Aim to resolve critical blocks within 24 to 48 hours. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce issues locally before broad escalation to save time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.